Female red-winged blackbird, Agelaius phoeniceus. Let's dive into the fascinating world of female red-winged blackbird. Undercover artists. Female red-winged blackbirds might not have the flashy red and yellow markings of males, but they're experts at camouflage. Their streaky brown plumage helps them blend seamlessly into marshland habitats where they nest. Boss ladies. These birds are more than just pretty faces. Female redwings are known for their assertiveness in defending their nests. They fearlessly confront predators and intruders to protect their eggs and chicks, showing incredible courage for their size. Beyonce of the marsh. While males are famous for their iconic conch-la-ree calls, females have their own melodious tunes. They sing softer, more complex songs that often go unnoticed, but play a crucial role in communication within their social groups. Masters of multitasking. Female redwings are true jugglers of responsibilities. Not only do they build intricate nests from grasses and mud, but they also manage all aspects of parental care, from incubating eggs to feeding hungry hatchlings, all while keeping a watchful eye for danger. Hidden heroes of ecosystems. Beyond their captivating behaviors, female red-winged blackbirds play a vital role in wetland ecosystems. By foraging on insects and seeds, they help control pest populations and facilitate plant growth, making them unsung heroes of marshland biodiversity. Next time you spot a red-winged blackbird, take a moment to appreciate these remarkable females and their contributions to the natural world.